Hi, this is Dr. Ramu, working as a Dean, Career Development Center, NRCM Engineering College, Hyderabad. So, as a part of the coding culture, we did the first step. All the students are registered in the HackerRank. Now, our task is you have to solve the problems in the HackerRank. Might be some students may struggle to solve the problems. To overcome that issue, I am creating the video tutorial for the each and every problem. My request is before going to watch this video, first try from your end, right? If you are unable to solve the problem and you didn't get any guidance, then only you watch the video to solve the particular problem, right? And before going to the problem explanation, I want to explain our leaderboard. So this is the leaderboard created for the HackerRank from our college. So initially we equipped the data with the first year and second year students. Later we include the third year students data as well in this tutorial. In the leaderboard, right? And here you can search your scores based on roll number, right? And branch wise toppers. For example, see if you want to see the who is the toppers in the ECE, right? You just apply the ECE, then you will get the all ECE toppers. It's the first student, and you can check the right year wise toppers, and you can check the branch wise toppers and mentor wise, and also you can see here the performance is based on here the scale is there, right? I want to see the who is the toppers who received the more than 120, right? So only one student received the 120 score. Like that we can use this leaderboard to check your performance and compare your reference, and same you have to take the right challenge to solve the problems. And my sincere request is don't search for the shortcuts, right? Even you get the 620 points by using the shortcuts, you didn't get anything. That is the keep in your mind. In last video tutorial, we learned how to use the functions in the C programming, right? Now this video tutorial we are going to solve the problems which are related to the pointers in C, right? These are the pointers in C program. So this is the problem statement here. Our task is we need to find the same addition and subtraction in this problem, but before going to do that one, we are not going to use any return type here. That is the primary constraint. Here, this is the code they have given already. They are sending the data to the our subfunction, right? In this subfunction, your task is to find the addition and subtraction. We should store the addition in the first variable and subtraction in the second variable. The same thing here. They complete the function of void update. So it is receive the two integers pointers, right? And set the values of A and their sum and B to their absolute difference. Absolute means so always the result difference result should be the positive, right? I'll explain how to do that one. There is no return value and no return statement needed because the pointers, right? So here they are going to use the call by reference concept. Once it is updated the subfunction, the same going to reflect in the main function as well. The call by reference, very important topic in the interview point of view also. Please remember here. And the input format, no need to worry about the input format because they are reading the data and then sending to you, right? The output format, so no need to worry about the output format, they are going to print the data, right? Nothing to worry. Here they are sending the 4 and 5, the result should be the 9 and 1. For that, first I am going to collecting the data. Star A contains the first value and star B contains the second value. Here I am taking the two dummy variables, x value I am going to store the star A value, right? And int y, and the y I am going to store the b value here. Got it? Here I am going to find the addition of these two numbers. Star A equal to x plus y. Done. Next, star B equal to x minus y. But here the condition is this should be the absolute value. Absolute value means mod value. For that I require the library hash include stdlib, standard library. It contains the one function. The function name is the ABS. ABS is going to give the positive values. Got it? And if you run this code, what is that here? Yes, mistake is there. Got it? Submit the code, you got the result. And the beauty of here of this program is you didn't return anything, you didn't print anything. When you update A and B values, that values is going to change the value of PA and PB. See here you are going to print the A and B values, right? Got it? A and B values. You are updating the A and B values. The same thing is going to reflect here. Means they are sending the PA and PB is the address values, right? I'm going to explain very clearly the same thing. Okay? It is very simple. It's a concept is called by reference. Once you update the sub function, the same value is reflected in the main function as well. That is why you didn't write any return statements here. Got it? Thank you.